Imagine a group of people with no script, no plan, just a shared urge to create something new with sound. This is improvisation, a uniquely human trait that has shaped countless forms of auditory expression throughout history. From ancient gatherings around a fire to modern jam sessions, improvisation relies on quick thinking, intuition, and deep listening. Each participant responds in real time, inventing melodies, rhythms, or harmonies on the spot. This spontaneous creativity unlocks new ways to communicate and connect, making every performance a unique, unrepeatable experience.